Did you know that buying cryptocurrency in Nigeria is easier than you think? I know many of you believe that it is nearly impossible to perform any cryptocurrency transaction using your bank account without any restriction, but then I call that the fear of unknown. That's why in this video, I will be walking you through the step-by-step guide on how you can buy your first ever cryptocurrency without any stress if you are just a beginner. And if you are an expert or you have been around for a while, then I will be telling you the do's and don'ts in order for you to perform this transaction more smoother and more secure without any restriction. If this is what you are willing to know and then learn about, then I'll be glad to show you the process on how you can do that. And the method we'll be employing in this video is called the P2P. P2P simply means peer-to-peer, whereby there is one person who is willing to sell cryptocurrency and you at your own end, you are willing to buy cryptocurrency using your Nigerian Naira currency. And the platform we are going to be using here in this video is called Buybit. Initially, I do use Binance, my favorite exchange, but ever since the Binance saga with Nigerian government, then all Nigerians transaction has been restricted on Binance. So which is why we are moving on to Buybit, which is more secure and more faster. So if you don't have a Bybit account yet, then I will leave a link for you in the description or in the comment section below. Quickly use it to register and then make sure that you get your account verified. So without any delay and much talk, then let's dive into the process. But wait, you haven't subscribed to this channel yet? Kindly take 1 second out of your time, click on that subscription button and then turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I drop another update like this. So without any delay, let's go into the process. First thing you have to do is to make sure that you register a Bybit account. And if you already have a Bybit account, all you have to do is to make sure that your Bybit account is being verified. And if you don't have a Bybit account yet, I will leave a link for you in the comment section or in the description box below, depending on where you are watching this video from. And then after register using the simple steps, all you have to do is to come back here and click on this profile icon right here. Then here you will see that my ID has been verified. To get verified, I think you need national ID card, the NIN. I would prefer you use the plastic one for you to get verified ASAP. So after getting your account verified, the next thing is how you can actually buy cryptocurrency using your Naira. Right now, I'm sure we are here to buy cryptocurrency, and then I'll be showing you how you can deposit your first cryptocurrency card. Now, what you have to do right now is to click on this deposit, and here you will see some different kind of payment method. You will see buy with NGN, which is Naira, Visa, MasterCard, and JCB. So, but as a Nigeria, we all know that we cannot use that, and the option or the best option for us right now is to use the P2P trading. Select P2P trading and it will load up the P2P marketplace for you where you can actually buy and sell. So you just have to set your account up and then agree with all the terms and conditions. So the process of buying and selling, it's almost the same thing. All you have to do is to just be yourself, be real, and don't come here with the aim to scam anybody. So right now, you know your budget, you know what you want to buy. These are the list of the crypto coin you can actually buy: USDT, USDC, BTC, Ethereum, and Mocha. But right here, I will be going with USDT. And then you already know your budget. So these are the criteria you have to look after if you want to buy anything here. Number one, you have to consider the number of orders the merchant has been performed. As you can see, this person right here has made an order of 2,929 orders and his success score is 99%. It means that this person is a very good merchant, and then I'm ineligible to buy from this particular merchant because I don't meet up with his criteria. He has set up some criteria which I'm not eligible to. Then you just have to check that, and then you need to check because as you are going down the chart, likewise the price will be going higher. So as you are scrolling down, you will notice that the price is getting higher, So then you just have to see the list of people you are eligible to buy from. So right here now, I'm eligible to buy from this person, and he has made 175 orders and his success score was 97%. So I can buy from this person. And then another thing you have to check out for is the limit. You have to check out the limit. The limit, or let's say the minimum amount I can buy from this person, is 20,000 naira, and the maximum amount this person can sell out is 177,000 naira, and the quantity of his USDT in cryptocurrency is 113.23 USDT. Then you, and right now I'm about to buy just 15,000 naira for the sake of this tutorial only. So I will just go to the next person, and the next person, the minimum amount I can buy from this person is 40,000 naira, and I don't have up to that right now. So I will be going straight to the next person. Then you have to notice that the more I go down the chart, the higher the price is becoming. So I just have to go, then I see this person. This person has just 1,000. So this person right here just have 7.37 USDT, and the limit he can sell out is 11,500, and I'm here to buy way above that. So I just have to go to another person. So if you don't want to stress yourself in the process of searching, all you have to do is to come to this filter right here, and then you click on show only verified advertiser. Then the filter will show only those people who have the ability to sell or eligible to sell. Then show only eligible ads. So I will also be clicking on that, and then I will click on confirm. So this will now filter out all those merchants who are ineligible to sell, and then I will be left with all these people right here. And as you can see, the price has been changed. So right now this person can only sell 50,000, and I see this person right here who can sell minimum of 4,000 and maximum of 500,000, and this person is also online, and you can see the other count here, and also you can see the percentage. So I'm willing to buy from this person, and then I will just click on buy. Then I have to input my amount in naira, so which is 15,000 naira. 15,000 naira, and then you see I will receive 9.5 USDT. All you have to do, make sure you read all these conditions set by this particular buyer, because if you go against the set rules over here, it's likely that he will not release your coin for you. So make sure that you read the rules that any merchant you are buying from has set out. So as you can see, no third party payment. It means that if you register yourself with one name, don't go and use another person's bank account to make transfer for this person, because this person will not verify that you are the sender of that money. So you have to read the set rule by this buyer, so that you will not end up paying money and not receiving your coin. So you have to be very careful here. Any mistake you make here will actually cost you your money. So you have to be very careful when you are performing any transaction here. So now, welcome to this exchange. No third party payment. It means that if you register your name here as A, you must not use B to make transfer. So it means that the name on your account, Bybit account, and your bank account must be tallied. So only mark as paid when you send money. If not, today will be the last day you will use your account, because I will report your account. As you can see, this is quite funny and it sounds threatening, but then I understand why he make such remarks. Then use your name as a narration or description. So don't put anything related to cryptocurrency in your narration or description. I do not accept payment from Wema Bank. You have to take note of that. Make sure you send money only to the one in the payment option. Do not save my bank account. So you have to read this, and then if you are satisfied with the condition, then you just click on buy. Now here is a check place for me to complete my transaction, and then you just have to read whatever you see on the screen right here. So order number, all these details, take note of that. Then verified name, the person's name will actually show here. Then I will just click on pay now. Then it will display the payment details for me, and obviously I won't be showing you the details of this particular seller for security purpose. Then all you have to do is to copy the exact account number and then confirm the name that you are sending to and then bank. So right now I will go and make the payment for this person. So another thing you have to take note of is that you must send the exact amount that you are willing to buy. Don't say you want to put extra or you want to go below whatever you have typed on your Bybit when you want to buy. So I will just, for the narration, I will just be putting my name as the person requested. Then I will just click on confirm. So don't put anything related to cryptocurrency in the remark section or in the transaction comment section. So now I will just click on send. So now I'm sure that I have made a payment to this person. So I just have to come back here and then payment completed. So I will just mark that and then I will click on I understand. Make sure you read what you are trying to confirm. Then I will just click on confirm. And right now all I have to do is to wait. As you can see the timer counting right here. I just have to wait for at least 10 minutes before I can do anything. Then to make the transaction more faster, I can just contact the seller and then send him the payment received. So right now I just have to wait for this person to release the coin. So now as you can see that I have received 9.5 USDT and then the P2P transaction has been completed. Now we don't have any issue here and then we are good to go. So you can just click on view my assets and this will take you straight up to your wallet. You remember when we started I have just 2 point something USD here and then my balance has been added up. So right now you will receive your fund under the funding account, and if you actually want to buy anything here or if you want to send this out, you can actually click on withdraw. But then what I want to do is I want to use this to buy ton. So let me quickly show you how you can use this to buy ton, just in case you want to buy anything here on Bybit. Now this is what I receive. You have USDT. Now for you to use this to make any transaction here on Bybit, you have to transfer it from this funding to your main account. So I'll just click on transfer, and as you can see, from funding, from unified trading account to funding. So I want to do it the other way around. So I will just click here and it will switch. So I'm transferring from funding account to unified trading account. And what I want to transfer is USDT. I will just be clicking on maximum because I want to make use of everything. Then I will click on confirm. So I have successfully transferred this from funding to my trading account. Let me quickly show you that. Now here is my asset and you can see unified trading. I have this amount here and this is, and here is my USDT. So now for me to buy ton, let me quickly show you that as a bonus. For you to buy anything here, you just have to go to the market section and here you will see anything you want to buy. Just click on it and then just click on buy. So there are a lot of things you have to take note of, but then don't get confused with all these button and setup right here. It's as easy as whatever you can do. You can see your available balance right here, 9.56, and then all these things might seem to be complicated at the first look, but then just don't worry about it for now. You just focus on whatever you want to buy, and here I want to buy ton. So all I have to do is to come here and then click on maximum. So the maximum, I want to use everything to buy ton, and then I will just click on buy. So it will actually buy this for 7.2821, but then this is too high. So I will just go to market and it will buy it for me at the rate of 7.28. I will just click. This will buy instantly without any waiting. So that's it. If I go back to my assets now, you will see that my asset has been transferred has been converted to a ton. So you can see it right here. I have 1.3 ton, and that is how you make your first trading from Naira to cryptocurrency, and from stable USDT you will actually buy your first coin. So past like that. This is come this far. Congratulations to you. And then you have to note that everything in this video is for educational purpose only, as you are solely responsible for your security out there. So make sure you do your own research, and if you want me to make a detailed tutorial on how you can convert your cryptocurrency back to Naira, all you have to do is to comment cash out in the comment section below, and I will take my time to make another detailed tutorial on how you can sell cryptocurrency back to Naira. So if you get any value from this video, don't forget to like, share it for more people to see, and of course, subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.